Hey guys, welcome back. So guess what? It's fair time for another project on the camper. And as far as waiting last minute, how's this for last minute? Yep. We're set up in the campground. So time got away from me, but this is something I wanted to get done. So we've got a new set of scissor jacks for the camper here. If I can get them out here. This is, at some point with this camper, somebody had left the jacks down and taken off with it and basically bent everything back. So they've kind of worked, but they haven't been great, and I wanted to kind of upgrade them. They weren't real stout anyway. So I found a set of their 9,000 pound jacks. So I don't know if that's supposed to be per corner or for the whole set of 4 or what, but I figured that it was the heaviest weight rating I could find on Amazon for a decent amount of money. So I figured they'd be built the heaviest that way, and they ought to work. So here's one of the new jacks. It looks like we're probably gonna have to drill a couple holes and to get those put on, but let's get under there, see if we can get the old jacks off, and see what we gotta do to get this new one on. All right, so this one is held on with nuts and bolts. There's a small chance that the holes might line up to the new ones, but I'm not gonna hold my breath. So here's a side-by-side from the old jacks to the new ones. They don't look drastically different, but just if you look at what they're made out of, that material is quite a lot thicker than the other. So size-wise about the same, but these are much heavier. These are Libra brand 9,000 pound jacks. On Amazon, I think the set of 4 was about $150, so not too bad. They came with these bolts. We'll see how that works, but they did come with something pretty cool. They've got a sticker here that matches the bolt pattern, and looking at it here, if we go over the old one, the holes that the bolts were in line up. So 2 here and 2 here the same way these were bolted on. So I think that's going to work out. The thing about these bolts though, it doesn't look like they're going to work because they're going to be too small. So we'll go back on just with the old bolts, I think. I did of course lose 2 of the nuts while I was taking this old one off, so I'll have to see if I can find those or maybe get some others, but this looks like it might be a pretty straightforward swap. All right, so make sure we got our hex faced out, and since we're dealing with jacks, oh, wrong way. There's no point in me trying to sit here and hold this and line it up, so I think we'll just let it hold itself. That's a little loose. I can get a little movement out of it there. Here we go. Well, it doesn't get much easier than that. I've got 2 bolts in this one. I'm gonna get 2 more to finish it out, but it looks like it's just a matter of going through and bolting these all up. I wish there was more here to show you, but it's just as simple as that. So far so good. I'm very happy with these guys. They're pretty up and down. I think they're great. So all right, well, I guess that does it for this one. We're getting the old camper tuned up here, one fair at a time. A few more projects and we'll have everything just how we want it, just in time to go find a new one. But anyway, thanks for watching, like and subscribe.